Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. Ask and ask we can do about factorization. Next we have the formula in here. So number 25, that is about 5 to the power of 2. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Now we need to simplify s minus number 5 on numerator and denominator. And now we can put number 5 on here and here. And we have number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.